Hello, this time pag-uusapan naman natin ang subtraction of similar fraction and mixed fraction with regrouping. So, malalaman natin ano bang ibig sabihin ng regrouping. So, meron ako dito example ng fraction na kung saan kailangan nating mag-regroup. So, in subtraction of fractions, we have to consider that the minuend is greater than the subtrahend. But this time, yung minuend natin ay 1 at yung subtrahend natin ay 2. So, therefore, we need to regroup. Ibig sabihin, we need to borrow. Saan ba tayo magbaborrow? So, ang gagawin natin, magborrow tayo dito mula sa whole number. So, itong whole number na 6, babawasan natin ng isa. So, 6 minus 1 ay magiging 5. Saan ba natin dinala yung 1? Or anong gagawin natin doon sa 1 o doon sa isa na binarrow natin? So, yung isa na binawas natin sa 6 ay gagawin nating fraction equal to 1. So, ano ba yung denominator natin? That is 3. Para maging equal to 1 yung isang fraction, yung numerator natin ay 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 plus 5 ay equals to 6. So, we now have 5 and 3/3 plus. I-add natin yung ating fraction na 1/3. So, meron na tayong copy the whole number 5. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4 and copy the denominator 3. So, we now have 5 and 4/3. And then, subtract natin yung ating subtrahend na fraction. Minus 2/3. So, kung napapansin natin, our minuend is greater than our subtrahend. So, pwede tayong makapag-subtract ng diretso since our fraction is similar. So, copy the whole number 5. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. And then, kopyahin lamang natin yung ating denominator na 3. So, our final answer is 5 and 2/3. Another example of a fraction na kailangan nating mag-regroup is 7 and 1/6 minus 3 and 5/6. Kung napapansin natin, parehong mixed fraction yung ating example. So, as we can see, our minuend is smaller than the subtrahend. So, kailangan nating mag-regroup. So, saan ba tayo kukuha? I-change muna natin itong 7 and 1/6. So, equals. So, yung 7, babawasan natin ng isa. So, magiging 6 na lang siya. And then, yung isa na binawas natin, yung 1 na binawas natin sa 7, ay gagawin nating fraction equal to 1. So, since our denominator is 6, gagawin nating numerator din ay 6 para magiging fraction equal to 1. So, 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1 plus 6 is equals to 7. And then, huwag nating kalimutang i-add yung ating fraction na 1/6. Then, minus 3 and 5/6. So, ganito na yon. Copy the whole number 6. I-add natin yung dalawang fraction. 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. Copy the denominator 6. Minus 3 and 5/6. So, our final answer is, una, isubtract muna natin yung dalawang whole number. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Then, subtract the numerator. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Copy the denominator 6. So we now have 3 and 2, 6. Since 2, 6 is not a lowest term, so kailangan nating i-divide ito by its GCF. Since ang GCF ng 2 at 6 ay 2. So, equals. Huwag kalimutang kopyahin ang whole number 3. Then, 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. And 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. So, our final answer is 3 and 1/3.